friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Sydney and I'm so happy you decided to click on this video. Today I'm sharing a realistic clean with me. As you guys can see, I am tackling my master bedroom first, as it was a complete disaster. We had laundry pretty much everywhere and I just wanted to make some changes in here as well. So if you need some extra cleaning motivation today, be sure to stay tuned and put this on your TV or your phone if you want, so you can clean along with me. So let's get started.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break.
Alright you guys, so I am using this wood cleaner called Dust, and I honestly don't remember where I got it from. It was probably most likely Walmart, because I just wanted to get one because I needed one. And to be honest with you guys, I don't think I will be repurchasing this one. It does leave smudges on my furniture and I have to really buff it out for it not to notice. So I think I'll be going back to the Wood for Good method wood cleaner once I use this one up. But I just thought I'd give you guys that honest review because, you know, obviously you guys see what I use, and I do want to mention products that I love, but also products that I don't really like. You guys, obviously, if you've tried it, maybe you think differently, but that's just my opinion. Anyways, I thought I'd just mention that. And now I'm just making the bed, and I am going to be moving it around in just a bit. I honestly just didn't like how the room was set up. At first I did, but it was just not very functional.
Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells.
Baby, I'm not running around. 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 Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby, I'm not. Baby.
Alright you guys, so this was a little later after I took a shower and got ready for the day, because I was still in my workout clothes and I just wanted to feel more put together. But anyways, if you are new here, I did want to mention that I am a mom of 3 twin, almost 5-year-old boys and a 16-month-old boy. So We had kept one of our twins' crib thinking that Liam would use it, but honestly, he just used it more when he was a lot smaller for just naps mainly. And now we've just been bed sharing with him at night and just naps. He usually sleeps on our bed. So I've been just keeping the crib, hoping that we'd transfer him there eventually. And honestly, it's just taking up space and is used more as another place we put our laundry in. So I finally decided to move his crib out and rearrange our room so we can have more space. We will eventually transfer him to his own room, but for now, bed sharing is what we are doing, and it's working for us because I am still nursing at night. So yeah, I thought I'd just share that because I was just giving myself a hard time because I just wanted him to be in his crib so bad, but it's just a different dynamic with him. Every baby's different and every situation is different. So yeah, so if what you are doing with your baby isn't what you expected, but it's working, definitely don't give yourself a hard time. You're doing amazing, and whatever works for you right now, is okay.
Everything about you, call it out to me, I got to own, yeah. Everything about you, call it out to me, I got to own, yeah.
I gave my heart away. No, I gave my heart away. I gave my heart away. No, I gave my heart away. I gave my heart away. Give my, no, I gave my heart away. Give my, I gave my heart away. Give my, no, I gave my heart away.
So our room felt so much more put together and functional now that I had it rearranged. And honestly, sometimes that can make the biggest difference in a room. I do absolutely love how it turned out, and I just feel like it feels more mature. But I am curious, do you guys rearrange your room when you are wanting a change, but don't necessarily want to spend money? I'm going to be tidying up our living room area because we were having visitors this day, and I just wanted to give it a quick tidy up.
You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain in you.
So I did forget to capture an after shot of our living room and entryway since I was running short on time. I still enjoy seeing the process of tidying up an area, so I hope you guys appreciated seeing that. But now I am moving on to Liam's room, or what we use as his playroom, and is also my husband's work area, which I don't show in the video. But it was a complete disaster, as you guys can see, and I just wanted to declutter some of his toys that he's outgrown, and also get his changing table in order, and just kind of make this area a little bit more functional for Liam and the boys, because sometimes they do come in here and play.
Don't you know what happens to dreams you don't follow? They crumble. You know I can't stand what you're getting so hollow, so cold. Cause you're thinking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you, but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.
Alright you guys, so now that Liam's room is more put together, I wanted to tackle his closet. It had gotten really disorganized, and I just wanted to declutter some of his clothes that no longer fit him, as well as bring down some hand-me-down clothes from his brothers, since he will hopefully be fitting into those as we get closer to summer. So yeah, I just had thrown a lot of stuff in here, and it just become kind of like a junk closet. So I am gonna tackle this. This was a different day, so I just wanted to make sure I declutter an area. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I do want to decluttering the entire house, so one section at a time. It seems to be working, so that's what I'm doing now, and just gonna make a pile of donations, and then things that are a little bit more run down, I probably will just throw those away.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah.
So none of his clothes was super run down, so I just saved some for one of my relatives who is expecting a baby boy soon. But I'm just relieved I finally tackled his closet and his clothes. I just decided to bring down a lot of the 18 months and 2T clothes that I had saved from the boys. He is fitting into 18-month clothing, but I am hopeful he will be fitting into 2T when summer gets around. I just kept these 2 extra bins on top to keep any extra toys and maybe alternate some for Liam as well. And then I had some miscellaneous items like extra little clothes that I want to keep as memories that Liam had when he was tiny. Let me know if you also do that, but I probably will declutter a little bit more of these. I'm not going to keep all of them. So that is going to be it for today's video, you guys. If you made it this far and if you enjoyed, thank you so much for sticking with me. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to not miss any future videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.